Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be pretty interesting here in the next week or so when people start to see their electric bills from the last 30 days. I know I was standing outside talking to my neighbor and she's like, the washing machine never shuts off. You know, the dishwasher runs all day long, you know, and these are people that usually have their 3 kids at school. Both of them work out of the house and now they're all 5 in the house. So I think it's going to be kind of a big surprise. I mean, you think about it, these kids' schools, you typically have a big electric bill and they're all at home now. And they're on their computers. You're on your computer, everybody's watching more TV and spending time at home during the most expensive time of the day for electricity during the day. So bills are gonna go up. Electricity continues to get more expensive. Summer months are coming. All your kids are at home. Everything's running overtime at your house. There's never been a better time to go solar than right now. And literally, so if you have a $300 a month electric bill, essentially we're gonna give you relief of about $1,800 for the next 6 months because we're gonna finance the solar system for you, cut your bill in half. We're gonna make the payments for up to 6 months, and it's a good deal, and it's a great time to go solar. We're authorized to work, we're considered essential, and we can have your system up and running in 30 to 60 days in most cases.